Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the app called Duolingo. How to use the Duolingo app. We will discuss what is Duolingo and its purpose, how to use Duolingo on different devices, and creating an account with Duo on a website and app, how to use Duolingo's main features and tips for using Duolingo. What is Duolingo? Duolingo is a popular app. It's an educational tool that you can use to learn new languages. It can be used by children and adults. Teachers can create lessons for their students using this app as well. It is available in over 35 different languages. We have Spanish, French, German, Italian, English, Japanese, Chinese, Russian, Korean, Portuguese, just to name a few. The purpose for Duolingo: it makes it easier for students to speak a new language. It is designed as a game that makes learning fun and engaging, and it can be used when traveling to help you to communicate. You can access Duolingo on computers, tablets. It can be accessed through the web or through the app, and you can create an account which will help you to sync your progress. Accessing on the computer. Let's get started. You will go to https://duolingo.com. So let me open in my browser. So, okay. So, let me get you to that screen. Um, There we go. Okay, so once you reach here, you typed in the Duolingo address, and it's going to ask you, do you want to start from scratch or do you already know some Spanish? So we will click here and we will start from scratch. Which one of these is a man? You will check it. You keep going. You continue. Which one of these is a boy? The boy. Continue. The girl. The man. Women. You have them here. So as you can see, it gives you points and you have hearts here. You have like 5 of them. And as you make mistakes, you will lose your hearts. So I'm gonna go through this section. And as we're completing, you can click here if you click here to put it back, you put up another word, and then it gets a little bit more challenging. Okay, so in completing this lesson now, it it will customize it for you. It will say, okay, this person is familiar with the Duolingo or not. You press continue. Okay, so here you'll have to create a profile. So you'll want to go to create a profile or do it later. Here we will create the profile because we want it to save what we've done. You will type in your age, your name, your email address, and you'll create a password. It's easier if you have a Facebook account or a Google account. So I already have a Google account with Duolingo. So I'll go ahead and click on Google. Once doing this, it's going to take you back to where your progress is at. So it syncs through the different devices, whether it's you're using your tablet, a smartphone, or the computer. Okay. And there's different quests that you can go on. There's different practices that you can do. When you click on more, there's an option for the schools. And it's free for your classroom. You will click on get started to personalize your class. And it gives you a rundown. You can enter your students. You can assign different activities for them. You can, it can run reports for the students, and it's all there in the settings, how you can personalize it. And like I said, the students can learn French, they can learn English, they can learn Hebrew. So there's a section here that's designated for the schools, okay? There's different activities on Duo. Let me see if I can. So you earn XP points every time you pass a level. There are stories that you can read and that you can choose from where you can also learn XP points and go on different quests. And you can always add a new course. So you can learn as many languages as you want. And there's a way where you can add friends. to make it more interesting. Duo also have podcasts that you can listen to in Spanish, French, and English right now. Okay. And that is how you would access Duo on the computer. Okay. Now I'm going to go through how you can access it on a tablet or smart device. Okay, so here we would go in this clip, and here's a short clip and how we can do so on your smartphone. So just like how it was on the computer, is more or less basically the same way on the tablets or smart devices. And like I said, you can use this to for yourself for personal use and also for your students. It will be very beneficial for them as well. So thank you for joining me, and I hope that you found this very informational.